What a flight. What a flight.
We made it. We're here.
We made it.
My beard's a mess.
Beard's a mess. He got that mask beard. Uh-oh. Man, that's a sweet Steelers jersey you rocking there, or jacket there. This dude is obsessed with the Steelers, but we are happy because they're a great team. And yeah, so guys, we made it to Phoenix, Arizona from DTW Detroit, and ready to get our venture on, man. So one place you got to visit here that's not in Michigan, okay, is In-N-Out Burger. Look at that. So In-N-Out Burger, last time we came here we were in LA.
Yep.
We were in LA, and it was fire, and it's the only place open. We got here super late, so obviously you guys can see it's black out here. And yeah, so we will see you guys in the morning, so stay tuned. All right. What's up, man?
Here we are.
What's going on, everybody? We are at the Can-Am Rentals in Sedona. We made it. It is really loud out here, so we apologize for all the sound. But yeah, we're about to just get right into it. So we finally made it. Sedona, Arizona. Feeling good.
Great.
Views are so good, and we're gonna be
Showing that one.
yeah, look at that. So this is just a portion of the views out here. So side by sides everywhere. All right, BRP forever. All right, we are Can-Am X3, little two-seater. I got the 4-seater, so it's gonna be real interesting to see how this rides compared to my 4-seater. And an interesting thing, this has a shock therapy suspension on it, or spring kit. So let's see how that how different that is compared to my machine. So yeah, we'll let's get some riding in. Let's go.
Yep.
Woo-wee. Like them vocals.
Yeah, you did pretty good there.
Hey.
Not too bad.
All right, guys. So
We are in the Can-Am.
in the Can-Am.
About to rip it.
About to rip it here. It's got the standard seat belts. I'm used to my my harnesses, but sorry, we're gonna make do. And let's see what this thing's got today.
In the mountains.
In the Sedona, Arizona area. Let's go.
Here we go. Going down. Oh.
You want to stretch? You ready for this hike?
Let's do it. Tell them where we're hiking.
So you guys know Sedona, Arizona, but we are going to the Devil's Bridge. And it was something we wanted to do, but we didn't fully plan it. But today we just changed that plan, right? So the views are epic. How you guys doing?
Good. How you doing?
Good. The views are epic. Just the views in general here.
Kind of like what the first hike we've kind of officially been on.
First hike, yeah. Brian, so he went and got some hiking shoes. A hike. Look at his backpack here. Look at that. What's that? Walmart, baby. Woo! Oh, what is that? Ozark Trail. I hope I'm saying that right.
The Adidas hiking shoes.
Adidas hiking shoes. He is ready to go. So let's just
Not stretched enough yet, but we'll see.
We about to see. I don't need. How long is the hike from here to the bridge?
What about maybe an hour or so, or less.
Okay, we'll see, guys. Just breathtaking.
We only just started.
We just started.
Got plenty more to see. Yeah.
All right, so we are still on the trails, still heading up to Devil's Bridge. I still don't even know how long it takes, but we're gonna figure.
About half a mile.
Oh, perfect. See, thank you. She said a half a mile. Look at that. See,
There we go.
half a mile. It's not bad. It's another probably 15, 20 minutes maybe till we get there.
And once we get up there, you won't believe what you're about to see.
When we get up there, it's gonna be great. It's probably gonna be a little scary. Brian's gonna be scared.
Oh my God.
He's scared to go across that bridge.
Oh man. Always talking that stuff.
But yeah, so yeah, definitely. When you get so used to living in Michigan, you don't really
Know that this is all out here.
you don't know what's out here. I mean, obviously you know of it. You see it in movies. You look at pictures and wallpapers and stuff. But when you're actually here, it's just something real nice to take in, and just real nice. And I believe we are 4,000 above, or elevation 4,000 feet. So definitely you can tell got a little ear poppage coming up through here. So yeah,
Makes you see what you don't normally see when you're stuck inside.
the point I'm saying, guys, is get outdoors. All right, get outdoors so you can see stuff like this. Travel, get off the couch, get off the porch.
It's great exercise.
Great exercise. Be one with nature. If you're a believer, be one with God. See all this creation. And yeah, so let's go. Gonna keep on going here.
Look at this.
Oh,
Don't look down.
don't look down. Okay, now you know how you always make jokes like, yeah, we're on top of the world. I feel like we actually are right now.
And we're not even that high yet.
Apparently we're not. Look, you still can go.
Up there.
It's still higher to go. So right now, this is the angle of view that we just hiked. And Brian's
Still
feeling
climbing.
good.
Feeling
Brian's
good.
the mountain man.
Mountain man.
Flying Brian over here. The mountain man.
This guy's a little scared of
He's
heights,
gotta-
but we'll get him up there.
Yeah, sure. The guy that got on the 400 foot. How tall is the dragster? Dude, don't stand too. Look at this guy just missed her. Okay, keep playing. All right. Look,
460? 48?
Is it almost 5? No, 420.
420.
Yeah.
Oh, King Ka.
King, I was about to say the one in Six Flags is that one's 458 or something, just to top off the the dragster days you got to show off. But yeah, so you guys can come up here, get some good views, be real careful.
Good pictures.
Some pictures. Oh, all right.
And we tumbled.
So just so many things. I know I'm stretching it, I'm stressing it, but there's so many things to see. So all right, we still have not made it yet, but we are almost there. Made it to the top.
Devil's Bridge.
Devil's Bridge. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Feeling good? All right. So I don't even know how tall this is, but I know it's pretty tall. This might exceed that 4,000 feet.
And the view just standing over there is
Just a view. You
incredible.
could sit here all day and look at this view. How was it, guys?
Very awesome.
Good, good.
Holding her very tight when I didn't need to.
You said you were holding her super tight?
Yeah, I was like clinging on for dear life.
I know it's it's a little sketch, but not terribly.
Your ribs.
I thought I'd be freaking out, but
No, it's not as bad as you like put in your brain
no,
to.
this angle here too makes it.
It makes it look like it's like 2 feet wide. Yeah, for sure. All right. That doesn't help you feel any better, does it?
No.
It's okay. All right.
It was good going out there.
All right, guys. Well, we're about to head back down and let's go. Okay. Just hiked the Devil's Bridge, and we're making it right here.
No, that way.
Going back out, and yeah. So you guys are here. Definitely recommend hiking the Devil's Bridge. It's a really scenic hike, obviously. Low technical at points, but it's a good time. So yeah, so now we're heading to another trail. What's the name of it?
The Outlaw Trail.
Outlaw Trail. Uh-oh, Outlaw. So we'll see you guys then. Alrighty, woo!
We're back.
What a trip!
That was awesome.
What a trip! Big shout out to Sedona Can-am. If you guys are out in the area, if you're visiting, definitely recommend them. They are awesome. They got plenty. As you can see, how many rentals they got here. They got plenty of them. They got 2-seaters. They got 4-seaters.
You did about a 4-hour rental?
We did a 4-hour rental. That's plenty of time. We got to hike the Devil's, what's it called?
Bridge.
Devil's Bridge. Little sketchy at times, but definitely worth doing.
And I've like
And-
about 5 or so trails with
Yeah.
the Can-Am.
Yep, we did the
Outlaw trail.
outlaw trail. So they got like 4 or 5 trailheads here you can do. They're
Some are a
all,
little easier than others. Some are more difficult, technical.
yeah, you know. So yeah, guys.
I enjoyed my first time riding.
All right, so we got some new. Look at that. You see that gear? Sedona Can-am right there. See that?
Stuff right here.
See that? Oh yeah, there it is. All right, guys. So thanks for watching the video. We will be back tomorrow. We're gonna be doing a little Grand Canyon, little action, little pink Jeep tour. So that's gonna be a little different. We're gonna be letting someone drive us.
And then
So,
after that, we're gonna go check out Horseshoe Bend.
Horseshoe Bend, so Grand Canyon. Stay tuned. If you guys want to see those next videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right. So until next time, guys. All right. We'll see you. All right, we made it.
And it's cold.
It's cold.
Really cold. We're
It's
from
cold.
Michigan, and it's cold.
We are from Michigan, and this is very it's brutal up here. It's pretty brutal. And you know, we came in here with shorts. Look at that. We didn't come super prepared, but we do have hoodies on.
The Weather Channel said different.
What the weather said a little different, so we here, we made it. We just want to share this view with you. This is such a great view. It doesn't even look real. It looks like it's just a wall here. It's just crazy views here, so high. So all right, so sorry once again, sorry for the wind noise. We're gonna go head back to the car and drive around a little bit, because just walking is we are not prepared for this. Obviously we're not on the pink Jeep tour or the rim, the Horseshoe Bend, whatever it's called, because the weather is just crazy windy, and yeah, we changed the plan. So yeah, we're just gonna soak up all the views for now, and just wanted to share it with you guys. All right, so let's go.